Hey everyone, how's it going today? For today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw Godzilla swimming underwater. Now, I'm going to tell you guys right now that yes, I know the tail is going to be a little bit shorter in this video, but it's just because I don't have really long paper to make his tail as long as it possibly is. So it's going to be a little bit on the short side, but I hope you guys still enjoy it. So thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy. Now, to start off with Godzilla swimming, we're going to begin with the eye. So I'm going to begin over here. I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to go down and then up like this, like a small check mark. Then we're going to make lines going to go over and then up to connect. Then I'll add a couple little lines underneath it. Starting right here, we're going to go out. We're going to make a line that's going to come up to about here, and then we're going to come back down. Now starting here, we're going to make a little line that's going to go out, and then it's going to come in for the nose. Then we're going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to come up and down like this. We'll draw a little line that goes down and in. Then we'll make a little line that's just going to go down, and then it's going to come up, and we'll just curve around here. Right here, we'll draw a little detail line for the nose. Starting here, we're going to make lines going to go up and then down. And we'll make a couple more that go just up and down. Then we'll make a little line that's just going to go up. And then it's going to come down here. And then we're just going to make a long line. It's just going to go up and then come right to about here. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down and up, down and up, and down and up. Then we're going to make little lines just going to go down a little bit farther and then up. And we'll do that again too to kind of show where the chest is. Right here, we're going to make a little line that's just going to go down. We're going to make it go down here like this, and we're going to curve it and come up for a claw. We'll make another one that's just going to go down and then come up. Then I'm going to bring this up to about here for the hand. We'll add a couple little curved lines, and then we'll make lines going to go up, and then it's going to curve around here. Right here we'll draw a line that's going to go down and then come right to here. Over here we'll make another hand. We'll draw a line that's just going to go down. We'll bring it up a little bit. Another one's going to go down and up. And then this one I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve around here to kind of show where that little thumb is. I'm going to go down and up, down, and then we're going to start the other leg, or the back leg right here. So right here we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. Then we're going to angle it up a little bit. I'm going to curve it in with a couple lines. And we're going to draw a line that's going to go down and come back. And another one's going to go down and come back. We'll do one more right here, and then we'll come up and around. I'm going to bring this up, and we're going to curve it in. And we'll do another little curved line here, with a big line right here. Then we'll just connect this line to here. I want to bring this line up a little bit farther, and then I'm just going to bring it back all the way to here. And I know his tail is a little bit shorter than it is in real life, but it's just what the paper's just not super long, so it's just kind of what we have to work with. Then over here we'll make another little line that's just going to go down and up here. And we'll make another little line that goes down and up, and one right to here to kind of show where that other foot is. Now we want to add some of his spikes. So we'll start right here. We'll draw a line that's going to go up and down, and we'll stop it right there. We'll make some more that are going to kind of go up and down, nice and pointy. Some of these are going to start to kind of angle off into different directions. And they're going to get nice and big too. And we're going to add a couple more here. And we're just going to make them get a little bit smaller as they come down the tail. You can add as many little spikes as you want to on here. I'm going to add a couple more right around here as well, just to kind of show that he's got a lot of spikes on his back. Now we have our basic shape, we want to add some different details on here. So I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come back and then it's going to come down. We're going to add a couple little lines right in here. We'll add a little line right here by his nose. We'll add a couple little lines coming down here. A couple little broken lines on here. And then I'm going to add just a few little broken lines to kind of show where the mouth is. We'll add some little extra lines here and a couple little lines coming down here. And I just like to add some extra details on here just to make these scales and stuff look a little more realistic. I'm going to make just some broken lines kind of coming down here. And we're going to make some long broken lines down here. And we'll make a few extra lines here. You want to add a few curved lines right around where the arms and the legs meet the body just to show where they're kind of sitting in there. And then I like to make some broken curved lines right around here just to show some different texture and patterns on Godzilla. I'm going to make some of these come right across here. We're going to add these all along the arms. We'll add some little claw marks on here. And we definitely want to add the claws onto the toes too. Some more little broken lines coming right across here. Then you want to add a few little lines onto the back of the scales here and the spikes, and maybe a few little extra lines coming down for some detail. And then you can always add a couple little extra lines in here, wherever you want to. And there you go, there is your drawing of Godzilla swimming under the water. Now, like I said, I know his tail is a little bit shorter than it should be, but that's just what we had to kind of work with and fit in. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.